Hi little friends. So once again, Minnie is back with you at your own learning platform, Learn Forward, with your grammar book, The Grammar Hub by Feather Cap. And we are going to start chapter 23 of your book, Applications. Has your teacher ever asked you to submit a leave application when you don't come to school because you are sick or you are out somewhere, you have an urgent work at home? So how do you write that? Your parents help you out, isn't it? And they do put their signature. So let's be efficient in writing our applications ourselves and we'll learn how to write these applications. Letters we write to our relatives and friends, and applications we write to our teacher, our principal, or to our seniors in offices, right? So first, let us see here how do we write a letter. This is an example of a letter to your friend. So this is letter writing because you are writing to your relative or friend, inviting him to attend your birthday party. So you are going to celebrate your birthday and you are inviting your friend there. How do you write? First of all, you have to write your own address here. Your own. The child who is inviting, you have to write your own address here. Then you have to write the date here on which you are writing letter to your friend. Then you address your friend by saying dear before the name, dear, and then you can write any name, your best friend or any friend you are going to invite. So three things we have learned till now. First, write your address, then write the date, then write dear, your friend's name. And I am happy to invite, this is how you start it. I am happy to invite you for my birthday party. When you are going to celebrate your birthday, write your own date of birth here on whatever date it is. And you have to tell the time also for coming. The party will begin at 5 p.m. sharp. Do bring your parents along. That means you are inviting his or her parents also. He should not come alone. So you are going to celebrate your birthday with everybody there, your friends and the parents also. And then finally you must write yours lovingly here, yours sincerely. We better write yours lovingly. Your loving friend, yours lovingly, and write your own name here. Okay, so this is the format how we write the letter to friend or relative. Now let's see how to write an application, which we have already done in grade 1 also. That time it was for sick leave because you are sick, you are not able to come to school. Let us do today that you have to take 1 day leave because you have some urgent work at home. Sometimes it happens. You don't have to tell a lie every time. You don't have to say, I'm not sick, I'm not coming to school. No. If you have some urgent work at home and you want to just take a break from school, then you must write it as an urgent piece of work. And how do you write the application? We have already learned. We address to the principal. So the first you have to write is always the principal. And remember children, everything should be from your left margin. This is the margin of your notebook page. So you will start everything with the margin. Please remember this. Then you will write the name of your school and city also. Then after this, you write the date as you have written in letter also, right? What is the difference? In letter, you write your address first, but in application, you write the principal and then your school name and address first, okay? Then in both, you write the date. There you write dear friend, but here you write respected sir, if you have a principal sir, respected madam, if you have a principal madam. I have an urgent work at my home tomorrow, so kindly grant me leave for 1 day only. So if you want for more days, if you think the work cannot be done in just 1 day, you want for 2 days or 3 days, you can change the number of days here. Okay. Then because you are requesting, you must always thank her. This is a formal letter writing application. So we must say thanking you, then write down yours faithfully. You can also write yours obediently. because you are an obedient student. So you can also write obediently here. Yours obediently, write your own name here, then write your own class with section here. Okay, and if you know your roll number, you can also write your roll number here for your class teacher's reference, so that if there are more than one students with the same name, the teacher can recognize. And it's easier to mark actually with the roll number also. So you can write your roll number also. That's it. So let's practice some now. What you have learned. Here is a practice letter. Write a letter to your father for sending you ₹1,000. Why should you write a letter to your father for money? Because you are living in a boarding school. You are not living with your father, right? And what will you do? The first thing that you have to write is write your own address here, children. I am just writing address, your address. So all of you will write your own address here. If you don't know, you can take help from your parents and write your own address here. Then in date, you will write the date on which you are doing this application writing. So suppose this is December 23, December 2023. So you will write the date like this. Then, dear, to whom are you writing this letter? You are writing a letter to your father. So you will say, dear Papa or dear Father, my examination will start on. See, whenever you write a letter, you should greet first. Okay, but it's just the beginning. So we are telling you in the shortest possible form. So you are saying, dear Papa, my examinations will start on. You can mention any date because 23rd December you are writing. You can say they are starting on 9 January 2024. I have to, because whenever it is your exam, the schools have to submit, you have to submit your examination fee with the school. So I have to deposit my examination fee. Now, how much money you want for examination fee? Kindly send me rupees. How much is it? It is for 1,000. So you are saying kindly send me rupees 1,000 soon. And then you will write your loving son and daughter. A girl will write daughter. A boy will write son. Your loving daughter or son. And then you write here your own name. Okay, whatever name, you have to write your own name. So this is how you write a letter to your father. And we'll practice one application here also. Now write an application to the principal. See, for 2 days leave as you have an urgent piece of work at home. Now you are asking leave for 2 days. So the principal, everybody has to write, and then you will write the name of your own school, Vidya Public School. New Delhi. Wherever, you have to write the name of your own school, and then you have to write the name of your city. Then you have to write the date, like just now we mentioned here, 23 December 2023. So you'll write the date on which you are writing this application. Respected. Now, if your principal is a male, he is sir. So you will write sir. If you have a madam, you will write madam. Respected sir or madam. Please don't write both the things. And remember, everything should be from your left margin of the notebook page. I have an, you have here, I have an urgent piece of work at home. So you can see here, I have an urgent piece of work at home. Now you are requesting, kindly grant me leave for how many days? For 2 days. So you will write here for 2 days. Then thanking you, yours obediently. Then you will write your own name. You will write your own class with section. And as I have told you, you can also write your roll number here. Okay, so next time, make sure whenever you have to write an application, you have to take a leave from school, always submit an application to your teacher. I hope you will be practicing this application writing and letter writing. We'll be looking ahead for more writing skills and grammar sessions. Till then, happy learning.